Want to add money to Venmo without a debit card? 3 easy ways. First, verify your identity and link your bank for smoother transfers. Method 1. Link your bank, verify micro deposits, then transfer funds. Standard transfers are free and take 3 to 5 business days. Method 2. Request or receive money from friends directly into your balance. Have friends pay from their Venmo balance to avoid debit card fees. Method 3. Set up direct deposit using your Venmo account and routing numbers. Direct deposit usually posts automatically and generally has no fees. In-app, open Manage Balance, tap Add Money, choose Source, confirm amount. Remember limits, weekly transfer caps, and holds for new accounts apply. Quick recap: link a bank, get paid, or enable direct deposit. Check your Venmo settings now to review linked accounts and limits.